Okay, this is your 48-hour update forecast for March 6th for the next 2 days. It's for southeastern PA, like Reading, Allentown, heading down towards Philadelphia, and it includes most of New Jersey and all of Delaware. And again, in case you haven't heard or figured out, is I'll do the 48-hour forecast every 2 days. So the next one would be Saturday on the 8th, and then the day in between, which would be tomorrow on like Sunday and then Tuesday, I'll do a long forecast, which will talk about the upcoming weather that we're going to be getting, and like I normally do. So let's get on to what's going on right now because we got a lot of wind, a lot of internet and power outages out there going on. Okay, now this is around 6 o'clock. You can see most of New Jersey's in the 40s and Delaware's in the 40s, Philadelphia in the 40s. You get back here towards Allentown and Reading and Lancaster, temperatures are in the upper 30s. As we get towards the midnight hour, you can see they start to drop back. Some freezing temperatures in southwestern PA, and they're going to work their way down. This is around midnight. You can see for the most part, everybody's either at freezing or below by midnight tonight. Then as we get to the morning hours, here's around 7 a.m. Again, everybody's right around the same temperatures that it was. They're in the upper 20s to right around freezing to the south. And then as you go through the day tomorrow, in the afternoon, you can see everybody's gotten into the 40s, warmed up a little bit during the day. And again, as you get around 6 o'clock, you can see up here temperatures are dropping into the 30s. North Jersey, they're dropping into the 30s. Everybody's in the lower 40s to mid 40s. And then as we work our way to around midnight, they haven't dropped real far. They're basically 30s to even some 40s still going on in South Jersey. There is a little bit of precipitation that's going to want to come through on Friday night into Saturday. Let's take this out to around 7 o'clock in the morning. And you can see up here, temperatures are at or below freezing just a little bit, even in Jersey here, there, down towards Philadelphia. You've gotten into the mid 30s, same thing down in basically in Jersey and in Delaware. But there's a little clipper, at least right now, it's showing up on the map that is going to try to cause a little bit. And again, as you can see, it's not much, but it's up here towards Allentown, maybe up towards Reading. There's a little bit of a mix down here towards Philly, and you can see it's just in the form of a shower, and it kind of works its way into North Mid George Trenton and Jersey. At this time, there's some light snow going on in Reading and Allentown, and then this takes you to around 4 o'clock in the morning, Friday night into Saturday, and it's all gone. It doesn't leave much behind, but you just should know that it's right now it's showing up. And again, it's just up here towards Reading and Allentown and north. That could see a little bit of a dusting if it achieves what it looks like right now. But it's not even sure it's going to make it this far to the east. But we'll keep our eye on it. Now the wind gust is another thing. Right now, the gusting. In the early evening hours. They're gusting in the 20 to 30 mile an hour range, but that will increase tonight. And this is around midnight. You can see some 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts working their way around. And then as we get towards the morning hours, this is around 7 a.m. It's not too bad. Wind gusts down south at 30, but up here towards the mountainous regions, they're in the upper 30s, and they'll pick up a little bit during the day as that low pressure system rotates around. This is around 11 o'clock, and you can see a lot of areas are now around 40 mile an hour wind gusts before it begins to move away in the early afternoon. And then the wind gusts die down into the 20s. And then, like I said, that cooler air comes through. So Saturday in the afternoon, temperatures get, for the most part, in the lower 40s to mid 40s. And then again, Saturday night, it kind of chills out, and we begin to get basically everybody will go below freezing before Sunday morning. All right, that's your 48-hour update. I'll be back on to do the 48 hours on Saturday. Tomorrow, I'll do my normal video.